So in this problem, a student had a sample of a mixture in a crucible. In that mixture, there was an inert compound, something like sodium chloride, and also barium chloride dihydrate. The sample, the student masked the crucible and lid, and then added some of the mixture to it, remasked it, and then heated it and until all of the water of hydration left the compound or left the mixture, and then remasked it again, just as you did in lab. So by simple subtraction, you get that the total mixture mass was 3.904 if you subtract out the mass of the crucible and lid from the mass of the unknown and crucible and lid. 3.94 grams of the mixture. Now, if you subtract the mass of the residue from the mass of the crucible, lid, and unknown, you get that there are 0.226 grams of water that were driven off by heat. So this is the water of hydration. What we want to do is find out how many moles of water this is. So we're going to convert this to moles. 1 mole of H2O has a mass of 18 grams. So if we divide, we get that we actually heated until we drove off 0.0125 moles of water. Now we know from the formula of the hydrate that it's 2 moles of water to every 1 mole of barium chloride. So we can take that and multiply by the mole ratio, which is essentially taking half of it because it's 1 mole barium chloride for every 2 moles of water. We got that from the formula of the hydrate. And we get that we had in the mixture 0.0062 chloride that was originally contained in the mixture. Change it to grams. So you're going to put grams over 1 mole. Add up the molar mass of barium chloride and you get around 208 grams. And that's without the hydrate. When you do the math, you get 1.3 grams barium chloride. So now we know that the mixture contained 1.3 grams of barium chloride. It contained 0.226 grams of water. So if we add the mass of the barium chloride to the mass of the water, I'll do that over here, 0.3 grams of barium chloride anhydrate plus 0.226 grams of water. Now we know that total is 1.526 grams of the total mixture that we started with. So now we can just find the percent. 1.526 divided by 3.904 times 100 gives us around 39%.